5 home remedies for vertigo. Vertigo is a sort of dizziness characterized by a sensation that you and your environment are moving, spinning, falling, or tilting, although there is no actual movement. It may be accompanied by other symptoms like nausea, vomiting, loss of balance, tinnitus, temporary hair loss, or feeling of fullness in the air. The most common form of vertigo is benign paroxysmal positional vertigo (BPPV), caused by disturbance in the calcium particles called otoliths and in the semicircular canal of the labyrinth of the inner ear. It is characterized by a sensation of motion brought on made worse by sudden head movements or positional changes. It usually lasts for less than a minute. It can also be due to problems in the brain or nerves or a side effect of a certain medication. Number 1 is Apple maneuver. The Apple maneuver can be highly beneficial in treating vertigo, especially benign paroxysmal positional vertigo, without any serious adverse effects. Research has found that this procedure can help to resolve BPPV effectively and rapidly. Sit on a bed and place a pillow behind you so that it will be under your shoulder when you lie down. If your vertigo is in the left ear, turn your head 45 degrees to the left. If it is in the right ear, turn your head 45 degrees to the right and follow the rest of the procedure accordingly. And quickly lie back your shoulder on the pillow or the head reclined onto the bed for about next 30 seconds. Next, without raising your head, turn at 90 degrees to the right and wait for another 30 seconds. Now, while keeping your head in its current position, quickly turn your whole body another 90 degrees to the right and stay in this position for 30 seconds. Slowly sit up, bringing your head to the center. Repeat up the procedure 3 times daily until you are without vertigo for at least 24 hours. In the most cases, symptoms resolve within a week. It is the best performed all 3 cycles of this maneuver at night before going to the sleep rather than in the morning or midday. Number 2 is ginger. Ginger can help to deal with vertigo because it promotes the blood circulation to the brain and relieves nausea. A study of the vertigo reducing effects of ginger found it alleviates the related issues like motion sickness and migraines. Simply chew a piece of ginger on the regular basis can help to alleviate this problem. Prepare ginger tea by steeping 1 teaspoon of grated ginger in a cup of boiling water for about 5 minutes and then strain it. You can sweeten it with honey. Drink it twice daily for a few weeks. Another option is to take a ginger in supplement form. Consult your doctor for appropriate dosage. Number 3 is ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba is a wonderful Chinese traditional medicine that helps to increase the blood flow to the brain, thereby reducing the dizzy sensation. Take 120 to 160 mg of ginkgo biloba extract in 2 to 3 divided doses daily for 3 months. You will start noticing improvement after 8 to 12 weeks. Number 4 is coriander seeds. Coriander seeds is a popular Ayurvedic remedy for vertigo. Soak 1 teaspoon each of the coriander seeds and Indian gooseberry powder in a cup of water. Set it aside overnight. Strain and bring the solution to the next morning. To improve its taste, you may add a little sugar or honey. Repeat daily for a few days. Number 5 is cardamom. Cardamom has a soothing smell and health properties similar to that of ginger, thus helping in natural treatment of vertigo. Plus, massaging action used in this remedy will alleviate the problem. And thus, slightly heat 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, mix in 1/2 teaspoon of powdered cinnamon and cardamom. Gently massage your head with this oil and leave it for a few hours. Do this several times a week for a few weeks.
Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.